Hey, Justin here, FNK Classic Cars.
Hey, Chris here.
It's my buddy
FNK
Chris.
Classic Cars.
That's right. It's the FNK for Chris.
FNK
right?
Chris.
Yeah, okay,
yep,
that's what
correct.
So we're working on the '67 Impala, and Chris here has helped us out a little bit. Tell me what you did.
I polished every single piece of molding for this car. Not that many pieces, only about 1,000.
Just 1,000. Just every piece of trim for the car.
Correct. So it was very easy.
I appreciate it.
Nothing to it. Took an hour, I was done.
Yeah.
Yep.
Times 14.
Times 14,000.
All right. Anyway, let's take a look at this stuff. See what transpired, shall we?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, so let's take a look at this stuff. What do you got here?
We got a whole lot of stuff. We got some stainless. We'll see if we can get some stainless open. See if we can actually do a reveal. Ooh.
Here, put that this direction here. Get some sunlight on it. Wow.
That pretty.
Dude, that looks beautiful.
Not bad.
Hood lip right there. Yeah, you got
Got all the
side moldings.
Oh yeah, got a whole package of moldings here.
Tasty.
Nice and fresh. We can check this guy out if you want. Oh, what a treat.
Look at that.
What a treat.
Beautiful.
How can you go wrong? You just can't.
Well, we certainly got a lot here. You said you had a couple pieces left, but by and large, you about wrapped it up.
Yes. Yes, I have.
Got a nice cowl piece there. That's not you. That's my side project.
Yeah. I don't want nothing to do with that.
No?
I'm out. Tape this guy back up, you know, for safekeeping purposes.
Yes. Well, I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. You got it, brother.
This car is going to look fantastic with this trim on there.
Sure is.
This is a step that we haven't really taken in the past, so sounds like you're an important kind of guy.
I am.
You got an alert.
That's the alert going off.
We better let you go.
Uh-huh. Here's your random extra molding.
All right, extra. All right, brother.
All right.
I appreciate it.
Enjoy your shiny stuff.
Put it there. Look,
It's there.
locked in.
Done.
All right, we'll see you.